Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you the quickest, easiest, most delicious way to prepare shrimp. We're going to roast it in the oven. This takes very little time and it's super easy to do. I'm going to be making mine to put into a special salad I'm going to be making in another video, and I thought I would bring you along and show you how I roast this shrimp up. Let's go see how this all comes together. Roasting shrimp is so easy and you really need very few ingredients. What I have here is 2 pounds of peeled and deveined white shrimp. You use whatever shrimp is your favorite. I like to get local fresh caught shrimp, but you can use frozen shrimp, and sometimes you can even find that shrimp where it's called easy peel and they've actually run a blade through the back of it. They've split open the shell and they've deveined it for you, so all you have to do is run it under some cold water and peel the shell off. Now you can roast these with the shells on for peel and eat shrimp later. Absolutely up to you. I'm going to be using these in a salad recipe, so I want them to be peeled. I love roasting shrimp best of all because when you steam it or boil it, it just seems to me that it isn't as full of flavor as it is when you roast it. So, simple ingredients: 2 pounds of peeled shrimp, 1/4 cup of olive oil, the juice of 1 lemon, and about a tablespoon of your favorite seafood seasoning. This is my homemade copycat kind of Old Bay seasoning. I have a recipe for that. I will leave a link in the box above as well as the information box below the video. So I'm going to show you how hard it is to do this. I'm going to go ahead and squeeze my lemon right over my shrimp, just like that. I'm going to put my olive oil over here and I'm going to add my seasoning right in there. You can add as much or as little seasoning as you prefer, and then I'm just going to take a spatula or a spoon and I'm going to get in here and mix it all up so everything gets evenly coated with lemon juice and olive oil and the seasoning. And I may hit this with a little extra seasoning, but let's see. What I have is a baking sheet that I have lined with aluminum foil. Get all of this in a single layer. Spread it out nice and even. I have my oven preheated at 375 degrees. These are going to roast for about 12 minutes or until they're just pink. You don't want to overcook shrimp because nobody likes eating a little eraser. I'm just going to give this a little extra sprinkle of this seafood seasoning. This already has like salt, pepper, paprika, all sorts of yummy spices in it. And now we're gonna go ahead and throw this in our preheated oven, 12 to 15 minutes, and I'll be back when they're done and I'll show you what they look like. Well, there you have it, our shrimp roasted for 12 minutes. It came out perfect, as it does every time. This is succulent, moist, it's not chewy, it's perfectly done. And it cools off in no time. I'm going to be using this in a salad that's going to be coming up in another video in the future, so keep your eyes open for that. And it's really very irresistible. You can see 2 pounds of shrimp after you get it peeled and deveined. It doesn't really make a lot of shrimp, so this is all going in the salad bowl with some other fantastic ingredients. That's how I roast shrimp. It's absolutely delicious and I hope you give it a try. If you liked today's video, please consider giving me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my kitchen, welcome. It's always a pleasure to welcome new friends. Be sure and hit that subscribe button. And if you are a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, always be sure and go down and make sure that you hit that bell notification button because we don't want any of you to miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope you give roasted shrimp a try sometime soon. In the summertime, it's the perfect way to cook it, unless you're throwing it on the Barbie, of course. But it's quick, it's easy, and it's done. You can have it ready in your fridge and you can just pop it in your salads throughout the week and it's really great. So I hope you give it a try and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.